Welcome to Cygnet Academy for administrators. This is how to add a user to a predefined user group in Cygnet Cloud. First, you need to find out if the user group that you want to use exists, and otherwise you need to create the user group. In this case, the user group that I want to use is not here, so I need to create a new one. It's an accountant from one of the big four. After adding your user group, you can go home, and then it's time to add the user to the group. We do this by going to Create New, User. Now we start filling in the information. Then we get three options. One, to automatically send an email to the new user with the username and password. Two, to send the notification email to yourself and you can forward it in due course. Or three, send no notification and you can notify the user yourself. In this case, we want to notify the user. In the next step, we can choose to add the user to the group we created. Now we get to choose if the user can receive tasks and create tasks, can use the EMS, can have access to the matrix view, and which viewable file extensions they can see. We can also just put in a star for all. Then we get to choose what the role is in the system. An accountant mainly will be a viewer, so we'll do that. Now we're finished adding the user, click Finish. Now the user is in the user group and in the system, but we need to add them to info hubs. We do this by going to the info hub, right mouse button, and go to the info wizard. Then we can go to the users tab. Here we will see user access. If we open this, we'll see on the left column we have the user directory, and on the right column we have the info hub and the predefined user groups. If we open up the accountants, we'll see we have the big four, which we created. Drag it from left to right and just drop it. You see now it is added. Go ahead and hit save and you can close this window. All changes are saved and the user is now created and added to Company A. This was how to create a predefined user in Cygnet Cloud